Business intelligence, empowering smarter decisions through data. Business intelligence, BI, refers to the technologies, processes, and strategies used to collect, analyze, and present business data in a way that supports better decision-making. BI enables organizations to transform raw data into actionable insights, helping leaders understand current performance, predict future outcomes, and identify new opportunities. At its core, BI helps businesses answer key questions like, what is happening in the business right now? Why is it happening? What is likely to happen next? What actions should be taken? Key components of business intelligence. Data collection. BI begins with gathering data from various sources, such as sales records, customer databases, finance systems, supply chain logs, and even social media. This data is then stored in structured formats, often within data warehouses or cloud-based platforms. Data integration and cleaning. Data from different sources is combined and standardized to ensure accuracy and consistency. Tools like ETL, extract, transform, load, processes are used to clean and organize data before analysis. Data analysis. Using statistical and analytical methods, BI systems process data to identify patterns, correlations, and trends. This may involve historical analysis, benchmarking, forecasting, and predictive modeling. Data visualization and reporting. One of the most important aspects of BI is presenting data in easy-to-understand visual formats like dashboards, charts, graphs, and scorecards. These visuals help stakeholders quickly grasp insights and make informed decisions. Performance monitoring. BI tools enable real-time tracking of key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics, helping businesses monitor goals, detect problems early, and adapt strategies promptly. Popular BI tools. There are many BI tools on the market that help organizations make sense of their data. Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, QlikView, Looker, SAP Business Objects, Google Data Studio. These tools often offer drag-and-drop interfaces, real-time dashboards, interactive visualizations, and advanced analytics features. Benefits of business intelligence. Informed decision-making. BI delivers accurate, real-time data insights, enabling confident decisions based on evidence rather than guesswork. Improved efficiency. Automated reporting and centralized dashboards reduce manual effort and increase productivity. Competitive advantage. By identifying market trends and customer behaviors, businesses can stay ahead of competitors. Cost savings. BI helps uncover inefficiencies and optimize resource allocation. Customer insights. Businesses gain a deeper understanding of customer preferences, buying patterns, and satisfaction. Applications across industries. Retail. Track sale performance, manage inventory, and optimize marketing strategies. Finance. Monitor cash flow, detect fraud, and analyze investment risks. Healthcare. Improve patient care, reduce costs, and analyze clinical performance. Manufacturing. Enhance supply chain efficiency and quality control. Education. Analyze student performance and optimize institutional operations.